Akeisha's House and TV. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you're not subscribed, you can subscribe and click the bell and you're updated to our new videos. Okay, for today, I'll teach you how you make Milo. You open the Milo. Nangalag. First, we put some Milo. Then, we put a little milk. Then we mix it.
Do you want hot water with it or not really?
Yes, Mama, please.
Okay, then Mama will make hot water.
And then, Mama's making me hot water. And then, I keep mixing it because the hot water is not still finished. And I'll keep mixing it. Whoops, I forgot the milk. Now to taste it. Still delicious. Mommy needs to still mix it. Pati mo sa loob. Wait, everyone. Wait, everyone.
Be careful or your Milo will get morsel too. Okay. Okay, just spill a bit, but it's okay.
Sorry. Mama, can you now put please the warm water?
Okay. Okay.
Mama, put my wait. And now for the test. It tastes like Milo, but we need still to mix it.
Are you finished?
No? Thank you, Mama. Now we just need to mix it. And voila, done. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. Bye-bye.